Hello everyone. Do you require all the analysis you need to achieve the very highest marks when exploring Walking Away by Cecil Day Lewis, but haven't got hours to waste doing it? Well, look no further. The aim of this video is to provide you with all the information you require to achieve the very highest marks when using this poem in your writing. So without further ado, let's begin. So, the poem explores the view of the parental speaker as witnessing their son begin to grow up. The speaker reflects on how young the son seems as he watches him grow. And the poem concludes with the thought that your love is only really proven in the letting go. Contextually, well, the poet was Poet Laureate from 1968 to 72. The poem is an autobiographical piece. And in line 18, God alone could perfectly show, is a reference to the sacrifice of Jesus on the cross to reference the pain the speaker feels at sacrificing their son to the world. When we're analysing form, well, the title suggests the end of something, and in part this is the case, the end the parent's tight overseeing of the child. However, it is not the parent who is walking away, but the child, suggesting the parent stands in place to allow the child to blossom. The dramatic monologue form allows the reader to understand the viewpoint of the parent. The fact that we do not receive the thoughts of the child helps to strengthen the separation between the two. In terms of our structure, the use of enjambment, especially between stanza 1 and 2, not only increases the metre of the poem, but also helps to create the more natural conversational tone to the poem to help establish the voice of our speaker. Using a constant A-B-A-C-A rhyme scheme demonstrates not only the constancy of the father, but the widening of the relationship between father and son. The use of the past tense indicates that the speaker is reflecting upon past events. However, the fact that it is 18 years ago, almost to the day, indicates the level of importance this event has had on the speaker. Linguistically then, leaves just turning. Well, that's a metaphor which relates to the season of autumn in order to indicate that the relationship between father and son, and the one they experienced previously, is coming to an end. Drifting away. Well, the verb drifting highlights that the freedom the child felt was a slow process, with the gap widening over time. Orbit indicates that the son revolved around the father until ready to leave. Winged seed loosened from its parent stem. Well, the simile is another comparison of the ways offspring eventually move away from their parental figure in order to become their own person. The verb gnaws highlights the speaker still feels pain at the loss of the child as they age and become a man. Love is proved in the letting go. To truly prove that you love your child, you have to allow them to leave your orbit and drift away. So thank you. There's a great selection of analysis that you can include in your work. It's up to you to practice using it in your writing. So good luck.